What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Warside on your PC. So the first step is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, go to the search bar and we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website to download this game. So go to the Steam website and search up the game Warside, and once you have found it and located it, you will scroll a little bit down and then you will see that this game on Steam is €24.29. But don't worry, we got a workaround for that. What you need to do is go to the video description where it says find game here, and you will be redirected to this page. Now search up the same game, Warside, and once you have done that, select games on the left side and then sort by price lowest first. And now you will find the PC version, which can be activated in our country, so this text needs to be marked green, and then you can select it. Now if you select this game, you will arrive at the game page, and as you can see, we can purchase this game for just €21.28 instead of €24.29. So this will save you a bit of money while downloading games legit online. Once you have purchased this game through this website, you will receive a legit Steam activation key to activate this game through Steam, but a little bit cheaper. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers, guys!